Today, we're venturing into the captivating world of chemistry, specifically focusing on the strongest signs of sexual tension between older guys and younger women. It's a dynamic filled with intriguing subtleties, where unspoken signals speak volumes. Whether it's through body language, conversation, or those electrifying moments of eye contact, understanding these signs can be game-changing. By the end of this video, you'll be adept at recognizing this sexual tension and, more importantly, knowing what to do about it. And don't forget, at the end of this video, we have an invaluable bonus tip that brings all these points together. It's a key piece of advice that will elevate your understanding of the dynamics we're discussing. So make sure to watch until the end. You won't want to miss it. 1. Lingering physical touches. This is when she touches you, and the touch lasts a bit longer than what's usual. It's a subtle yet clear sign she might be seeking more physical closeness. Imagine a scenario where a simple, brief touch, like a pat on the back or a casual brush of the hand, lasts a little longer than it normally would. These aren't accidental touches, they're intentional, and often indicate a deeper desire for closeness. In the world of nonverbal communication, how long a touch lasts can say a lot. A lingering touch is more intimate and can signal a deeper attraction. As an older man, understanding this can help you gauge her interest level and comfort with you. Pay attention to these moments. If you're comfortable and interested, responding with a similar, respectful touch can reciprocate her interest. However, always be mindful of her comfort and boundaries. If she seems to withdraw or is uncomfortable, it's important to respect her space. In summary, when a younger woman allows her touch to linger, it's often a strong sign of sexual tension and interest. It's a nonverbal way of expressing a desire to be closer to you. Be attentive to these cues and respond appropriately. 2. Intense physical attraction. This is about feeling a strong, almost magnetic pull towards each other. It's a sign of sexual tension that's hard to ignore, even if it's not spoken aloud. It's like an electric charge in the air when you're both together. You might feel a heightened awareness of her presence, and she seems to react similarly to you. It's an unspoken attraction that you both feel deeply. This intense physical attraction is a key indicator of sexual tension. It's more than just thinking someone is attractive. It's a powerful, mutual pull that goes beyond words. As an older man, recognizing this can help you understand the dynamics of your interaction with a younger woman. Acknowledge this feeling, but also proceed with sensitivity. Mutual attraction is important, but so is mutual respect and understanding. Ensure that your actions and responses are always respectful of her feelings and boundaries. If this mutual attraction is clear, it can be a foundation for a deeper connection. In summary, intense physical attraction is a strong sign of sexual tension. It's that undeniable pull you feel towards each other, a clear indication of mutual interest. Recognizing this can guide how you interact. 3. Flirtatious body language. This is about noticing more suggestive postures and movements that she may display, signaling a strong element of sexual tension. Keep an eye out for changes in her body language when she's around you. This might include leaning in closer during conversations, maintaining prolonged eye contact, or playful gestures like twirling her hair. These aren't casual actions, they're deliberate ways of showing attraction. Body language can often convey feelings that words do not. When a younger woman displays flirtatious body language, she's communicating her interest in a more direct manner. Recognizing these cues is important for understanding the dynamic of your interaction. Observing these signs is key. If you're also interested, responding with similar subtle body language can be a way to show your mutual interest. However, always be attentive to how she responds to your reactions to ensure a comfortable interaction for both. In summary, flirtatious body language is a clear indicator of sexual tension from a younger woman. Being able to recognize and appropriately respond to these nonverbal cues can enhance the mutual understanding of your connection. Just a moment before we continue, if you're gaining valuable insights from this video, could you show your support? A quick like, a comment, or a subscription goes a long way. It's not only about helping the channel grow, it's about connecting with you. Your feedback shapes what we create next, and I always look forward to reading your experiences and ideas in the comments. Every interaction from you truly matters. 4. Explicit compliments. These are compliments that directly address either your or her physical attributes or sex appeal, marking a clear sign of sexual tension. You might find her giving you compliments that are more direct and personal about your appearance. For example, she might comment on how attractive she finds a particular aspect of your look, like your eyes or your style. Similarly, she might make remarks about her own appearance in a way that seems intended to draw your attention. Explicit compliments are a step beyond the usual polite remarks. They show a level of comfort and directness in the interaction, pointing towards a deeper interest. As an older man, recognizing these explicit compliments can be crucial in understanding the nature of your connection. When receiving or responding to such compliments, it's important to maintain the tone of the conversation. If you're comfortable, acknowledging the compliment or reciprocating with your own tasteful comment can keep the interaction flowing smoothly. In summary, explicit compliments are strong signs of sexual tension, particularly when they focus on physical attributes or appeal. Recognizing and appropriately engaging with these compliments can enhance the mutual understanding and connection in your interactions. 5. Frequent teasing with a sexual edge. This kind of teasing is different from playful banter. It has a more obvious sexual undertone and can be a clear sign of sexual tension. This type of teasing often involves playful but suggestive comments or jokes. It could be a witty remark about a mutual attraction or a lighthearted comment with a more obvious sexual implication. The key here is the shift from general teasing to something more charged with sexual undertones. This shift in the nature of teasing can indicate a level of comfort and interest that goes beyond casual conversation. It's a way of testing boundaries and expressing attraction in a more direct, yet still playful, manner. As an older man, noticing this change can give you insight into her level of interest and comfort with you. It's important to gauge how you feel about this type of interaction. If you're comfortable and interested, engaging in similar lighthearted teasing can reciprocate her interest. However, always be aware of the context and ensure that the conversation remains appropriate and enjoyable for both of you. In summary, frequent teasing with a sexual edge is a notable sign of sexual tension. It involves a playful, yet more sexually suggestive form of interaction, indicating a deeper level of mutual interest and attraction. 6. Eager response to physical advances. This is about noticing how she responds to any respectful physical advances you might make. An eager or encouraging response can be a strong indicator of sexual tension and mutual interest. If in a comfortable and appropriate setting, you might initiate a light, respectful physical gesture, such as offering your hand to help her out of a car, or a gentle touch on the arm during a conversation. An eager response might be her not withdrawing her hand quickly, a return of a gentle touch, or a positive verbal acknowledgement. The way someone responds to physical advances tells a lot about their comfort level and interest. An eager response to your respectful advances suggests that she is comfortable with you and is interested in escalating the level of physical interaction. Be attentive to her responses and proceed with consideration. If she responds positively to minor physical gestures, it can be a sign to gradually increase your level of physical interaction, always prioritizing comfort and appropriateness. If the response is neutral or negative, it's important to respect her boundaries and adjust accordingly. In summary, an eager response to physical advances is a clear sign of sexual tension. It indicates a mutual comfort and interest in increasing the level of physical interaction. Being observant and respectful of her responses is key in navigating this aspect of your connection. Bonus tip: cultivate emotional intelligence. After exploring these signs of sexual tension, here's a valuable bonus tip: cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence involves understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as recognizing and responding appropriately to the emotions of others. This is particularly important in interactions with significant age differences. Why is emotional intelligence crucial? It allows you to navigate the subtle nuances of attraction and interaction with a younger woman. By being emotionally intelligent, you can better understand the context of her actions and your own, ensuring that your responses are not only respectful but also attuned to the emotional dynamics at play. How to develop it? Practice active listening. Be observant of nonverbal cues and be mindful of your own reactions. Understand that emotional cues might differ across age groups and be open to learning and adapting. Reflect on your interactions and consider the emotional undercurrents that might be influencing both her behavior and yours. Applying it. In the context of the signs discussed, use emotional intelligence to discern the difference between friendly and flirtatious interactions, to gauge the appropriateness of advancing the interaction, and to ensure that your actions are always considerate of her feelings. In conclusion, alongside recognizing the signs of sexual tension, developing your emotional intelligence can greatly enhance your interactions. It adds depth to your understanding and ensures that your connections are not only physically but also emotionally attuned and respectful. You're now tuned into the strongest signs of sexual tension. What's next? Will you explore the techniques to win over younger women or uncover the signs of sexual attraction? Choose your next insight, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.